Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of party essentials with the Big Dot of Happiness Taco Bout fun-shaped thank you cards. If you're looking for the best taco-themed thank you cards out there, you've come to the right place. These Taco Bout fun thank you cards aren't just any ordinary stationery. They're beautifully designed and perfect for any Mexican fiesta or themed event. Each set includes 12 taco-shaped cards and 12 premium white envelopes, ensuring that your gratitude stands out in style. Let's talk about what makes these cards special. First off, they're a generous 7 inches by 5 inches in size, providing ample space for your heartfelt messages. The heavy-duty cardstock gives them a luxurious feel with a photo-like shine, making each card a keepsake worth treasuring. Designed and manufactured in the USA, these cards boast quality through and through. The back of each card is blank, allowing you to personalize your messages of thanks for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday party, wedding, or corporate event. What are users saying? While we won't dive into specific reviews today. Now, you might be wondering how these stack up against similar items. Compared to other thank you cards in the market, the Taco Bout Fun set stands out not only for its design but also for the quality of materials used. Plus, being from a small business, there's that added touch of supporting local craftsmanship. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a touch of fun and flair to your next celebration, whether it's a fiesta-themed party or simply a heartfelt thank you, the Big Dot of Happiness Taco Bout fun-shaped thank you cards are an excellent choice. With their vibrant design and superior quality, they're more than just cards. They're a statement piece for your gratitude. That wraps up our review of the Big Dot of Happiness Taco Bout fun-shaped thank you cards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews. And as always, leave your comments down below about what products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay tuned and happy celebrating.